Hi, I'm Jay. I'm in an appointment on Friday.
Yes, Jay, you were having trouble calling people.
Among other things, yeah. Actually, there's been a lot going on.
Okay, such as?
It's not able to connect to sites like Zwand or 30 frames, but it's got these mystery sites on it, like Google and YouTube. A bit later, it got an MVC setting. While that's on, it used to change whoever you were calling to someone different. Do you know how that setting might work?
Most I could think of would be something like a scrambler, maybe? It's changing the area code of who you think you're calling and making it someone different.
Oh, okay. Well, that's the setting that's been giving me some trouble. It stopped working. Now while it's on, I can't actually call anyone.
Okay. Can I see the phone?
Yeah.
Did you actually hand me the...
Do you mind if I just put it on the counter? I really don't want it out of my sight right now.
Sir, that's not very helpful.
Just please humor me.
Okay. Okay. You said it was taking you to these unknown sites, right?
Yeah. Have you ever heard of that happening on another phone?
Yes, I have. It's quite common. Well, not common, but completely unheard of.
Okay, then you'd know what's going on with the phone then.
I do. It's a bit strange. It has to do with the browser. The browser on your phone is corrupted somehow. So when you try to access Zwand, the website rejects your calls because it doesn't recognize you.
What about the sites that I can access? Because I checked them on Zwand, and they should have been shut down years ago. How does that work?
Oh gosh, the domain names? The domain names are still registered to those companies, and since your browser is corrupted, it bypasses the normal order that wouldn't let you view the site.
But there are other people on those sites. What about them?
Well, I guess those would be people with similarly corrupted browsers, or even hackers.
Sure, okay. What would you suggest doing about this?
Well, if your browser's corrupted, you're much better off getting a replacement. I can offer you top-line smartphones, and I've actually got a catalog.
Hey, I'm not going to replace my phone.
What?
I'm not going to replace my phone.
So that's not really a good option. The corrupted browser means the whole phone.
Yeah, you already said that the browser's corrupted. Can you fix the MVC setting?
Well, owning a phone with a corrupted browser could be dangerous.
How exactly is it dangerous?
To hackers with a corrupted browser, it's practically a cakewalk to sneak viruses onto your phone and steal your personal information. I can perform a wipe and get you a replacement.
Already told you I'm not replacing the phone.
Sir, please, I'm only looking out for your safety.
If that's the case, it's still my decision. Can you fix the MVC setting?
If it's the MVC setting you want, I could update your replacement phone and get that setting on there. That way you're not putting yourself at risk.
I told you, I'm fine with the phone I have.
Well, you might be fine with your current phone, but we have top-of-the-line models, and I'm sure we can find something you'd like. It's a free replacement. I'm authorized to give those out in extreme situations like this.
I don't care. I don't want one that's higher tech. I don't care about the price. I'm perfectly happy with what I have. Now answer my question. Do you know how to fix the setting?
Really, sir? It's a free replacement. No, that's not great.
Okay, that's it. I'm taking my business elsewhere.
Your coupon's not void if you don't accept my help.
Okay, I don't care about the coupon. I'm going.
Sir, please, don't go.
Let go of my arms.
Just let me upgrade your phone.
Get off! Well, this was a complete waste of my time. I had to wrestle that guy off of me. And he couldn't fix the phone. So, yeah. Honestly, I'm not 100% sure where I'm supposed to go from here.